The 2026 Suzuki Mehran marks a nostalgic return to one of Pakistan's most iconic and beloved cars, now reimagined with subtle upgrades for the modern era. Known for its reliability, simplicity, and affordability, the Mehran was a household name for decades, and in this latest version, Suzuki retains its spirit while offering enhancements that suit current urban needs. SA Car Reviews takes you through an in-depth look at the new 2026 Suzuki Mehran, exploring what makes this budget-friendly hatchback still relevant and practical for millions. The 2026 model maintains its traditional compact body, instantly recognizable by its boxy silhouette and functional design. At first glance, the updated front fascia features redesigned LED headlamps with a dual circular layout, giving it a slightly modern twist without losing its old-school charm. The grille has been refreshed with a cleaner, more minimalistic pattern, and the bumper now integrates subtle air vents for improved airflow and a more refined finish. The rear maintains a simple taillight layout, with minor tweaks to enhance visibility and add a contemporary feel. Under the hood. The new Mehran is powered by a 0.8 liters fuel-efficient engine with minor ECU tuning that enhances fuel economy without compromising its dependable performance. While it's not a performance car by any stretch, the Mehran continues to be a solid city commuter, ideal for navigating narrow streets and congested traffic. It now comes with a 5-speed manual gearbox as standard and a slightly improved suspension, set up for better ride comfort on bumpy urban roads. Inside the cabin, the Mehran 2026 retains its basic interior theme, but with quality-of-life improvements that make it more user-friendly. The dashboard layout has been revised slightly to include a digital odometer, USB charging port, and optional Bluetooth connectivity. The seats are more comfortable now, upholstered in fabric with a dual-tone finish. Manual windows, basic air conditioning, and simple control knobs maintain the legacy of its utilitarian design. Rear seating remains adequate for 2 adult passengers, maintaining the compact practicality it's always been known for. Safety features remain modest, but improved compared to earlier models. The 2026 variant includes optional driver-side airbag, ABS, and seatbelt reminders, bringing it slightly closer to modern safety expectations for entry-level cars. What truly makes the 2026 Suzuki Mehran shine is its value proposition. With rising car prices across the board, the Mehran offers an option that's not only easy to maintain but also light on the pocket. Its parts are widely available, fuel economy is impressive, and the resale value continues to be strong, making it a great option for first-time car buyers, small families, and those needing a reliable second car. SA Car Reviews sees the 2026 Mehran as a nostalgic return packed with just enough modern updates to keep it going strong. It may not compete with premium hatchbacks in terms of features or technology, but it delivers what it always has: simplicity, durability, and affordability. In a rapidly changing automotive landscape, the Mehran proves that sometimes less really is more.